Hey yo, what is up ninjas? In this video I'm gonna show you.
Thank you Kevin David for the introduction, guys. Smash the like button and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss again any more of our beautiful and amazing videos. So let's start. Why Kevin David is so effective? Why you see him almost everywhere? Why you see him being featured in blogs, in different pages, in other YouTube channels? I'm going to show you exactly why he's so effective, why he's doing what he's doing, and being successful in what he's doing. The first principle that Kevin David is follow is scarcity. As you already know, we love what we don't see that much. You see many brands, many experts in this area, in this niche, such as Ty Lopez, Gary Vaynerchuk, and many others are posting every single day, and most of the time you see all of their videos and you say, all right, I will see later, like whatever, you know, scrolling down, all right, I see, thank you, next time. But when you see somebody that doesn't post too much but is good in what he's doing, you tend to watch all the time his stuffs. It happens most of the time with girls as well, you know, like the less you become available, the more important you are. I know guys, I'm not talking about girls in this video, we are talking about Kevin David. So as you know as well, that's why Lamborghini, Bugatti, they don't produce too much the same model. Why? Because they understand that if they do that, if they produce, people are gonna be bored about that and they're gonna lose clients. Kevin David doesn't post too much. As I say, new videos every other day. I like that. It's beautiful. I'm gonna copy that one. Every video, every other day. Sometimes he posts one per week, sometimes two per week. He doesn't post too much. He doesn't post every single day. This makes him rare, desirable, profound, more deep with his audience, and be more special as well. So the second principle that Kevin David is follow is that the guy is really relatable. We tend to be more attracted to what we are relatable. So if you can relate with somebody, you can be friend easily. He talks almost all the time about, he doesn't just talk about money, he lives it. This is his own lifestyle. You know him. You know that the guy is building an empire. You know the guy is building he has a lot of courses and many things. He understands you perfectly. He went through all the process that you are trying to pursue right now. The other principle is that he puts his audience first. Understand very well his audience. He knows perfectly what people need, what people want, and he gives them what they want. As Zig Ziglar said, give people what they want and then they will give you what you want. Help first and you're gonna receive the rewards. And the man himself talk most of the time about stuff that you can understand.
Working from the pool, working from an Airbnb, working from a hostel in Thailand, working from a hotel room in Las Vegas. Question you're probably wondering is, do real work from home opportunities actually exist? And if so, which ones are actually legit and which ones are just gonna waste your time?
Listen, if somebody comes to you and say, let me teach you how to make 1 million or maybe 100 million, for you it will be a little bit difficult to understand that. Why? Because sometimes your mind cannot understand or imagine how is 1 million. But if I say to you, let me teach you how to make $100 per day, this is more relatable. Your mind will try to understand easily with that, because you know what is $100. You saw $100. You see maybe all the time, every day. And the guy is really remarkable. The guy is building an empire that is impacting so many people. You see him sometimes on stage, sometimes in different places. The guy is being remarkable. He understood the YouTube algorithm. Maybe because he is Stephen Graham friends, I don't know.
What's up, you guys? It's Graham here. So I'm here with a few pretty special guests. I'm going to let everybody introduce themselves to you. But between all of us, I guess we have $1.5 million in revenue per month.
The guy is another YouTube beast. Kevin David, he really understands what is trending. He don't just post because I want to post. No, I believe that he is all the time searching for new content, for what is trending, for what is performing the best, creating titles that are more compelling, titles that can make you watch the video and creating a good thumbnails. And also Kevin David got a lot of connection. You see him with many YouTubers, with many other big YouTubers, and I believe that most of their conversation is just how we can help people to make more money and how we can improve their life. I know that they also talk about girls. That's true. I believe so. That's true. And he really understands how important is the PR, how important is our relationship. As someone said that your network is your net worth, one of the things that most of the people maybe don't realize is that Kevin David is really a genuine person. The beast of Amazon is really a genuine person. So when he says something that you really understand and know what he's trying to do. He doesn't fake stuff.
You've heard of Amazon and you've probably heard about all of the people having success selling on Amazon. But how much does it actually cost to get started selling on Amazon FBA as a complete beginner in 2019?
He said, I bought my house, 2 million. He bought his house, 2 million. About my car, he bought his car. It's not faking documents and other stuff.
Guys, so last thing, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you do me a favor, tap the little like button. It helps me reach more people. It helps me reach more people who can actually start to use these strategies to make more money online. And make sure that if you haven't, tap that little subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to know when we release a brand new video on how to make money online and how to be financially free.
You heard Kevin David say, so subscribe, hit the bell notification, guys. If you want me to do more videos related, please let me know in the comments below. I like you beautiful people, and I see you on the next video. Maybe it's Stephen Graham. By the way, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I invested almost 2 days, 48 hours.